Proper installation technique for device protection. Installation tools. Installation gel, squeegee, microfiber cloth, adhesive tape, 70% isopropyl alcohol. Installation. Clean the surface of the device with ISP 70% alcohol, wiping and polishing the device with a microfiber cloth supplied in the ProtectionPro ClearPlex installation kit. Ensure cloth is clean and in good condition. Use the same adhesive tape used to affix film to cutting mat and lift any dust and debris from phone surface, ensuring not to leave fingerprints on the device screen. Be sure alcohol is completely evaporated and the screen is free of streaks or residue. Spray a liberal amount of gel on the sticky side of the film. Make an anchor line dragging the squeegee lightly from the speaker to the home button. Using an increased amount of pressure, create an anchor rectangle in the center of the device. Continue the install, working the gel outward towards the edges, never dragging along the sides of the device. Always work toward edges, never along edges. Increase pressure of squeegee on the device, working the gel out more, using light pressure around speaker cutouts and curves. Use a high amount of pressure to squeegee out all of the gel, checking for gel spots using the overhead lighting in the room. Carefully inspect the surface of the film for residual pockets of installation gel. Use squeegee to push any remaining gel to the edge. For curved screen devices, spend 5 to 10 minutes pressing edge of the film to ensure firm adhesion. Apply heat with heating tool if available, as this will reduce curing time and help ensure firmer edge adhesion. Post-installation. Be sure that the customer takes extra care to not place the phone in a case, bag, or pocket for 60 to 90 minutes following installation to ensure proper and undisturbed edge and corner adhesion. Forewarn the customer that there may be some rainbowing or clouding under the film even when all of the gel has been removed. These begin to disappear after 2 hours and completely after 24 hours as the residual moisture evaporates. Take extra care to thoroughly remove all moisture under film and add more curing time as needed to ensure proper adhesion. Heat tool is recommended. Be sure cloth is only used to clean phone screens, never to clean machine, furniture, windows, etc. An accumulation of dirt, oil, grease, or other debris can affect quality of device cleaning and installation. Use heat tool with caution. Hold tool 6 to 10 inches, 13 to 22 centimeters from device. Tool should always be moving and never held still over hand or device. Never modify or remove safety guards on the tool, and never leave the tool on with tool unsupervised.